Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking. We are making some yummy gulgule, or you can call them mini fennel cakes. So this is how we're going to make them. We have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and water to mix it, then sugar, yogurt, and baking powder, extract, and some fennel. Add everything to all the dry ingredients to the flour, and then start mixing it. We will include the yogurt too, and then here goes the sugar. Okay, here comes the yogurt. All right, let's mix it. Going to mix it first with the yogurt and then with the water as needed. So let's get this thing started. Okay, yogurt and all the dry ingredients are mixed. Alrighty, slowly add the water to it. Never add water the whole thing at the first in the start, let's say in the start, and to just add it slowly so we can have control over the consistency that we need. We are going to make it better that's not too thick. Like for donuts it's really hard, but for gulgule it's gonna be soft, not runny, but yeah, pretty soft. Alrighty, just beat it a little bit like we beat the eggs or mix, there you go. Okay, once it's smooth and it's not runny, but it's nice and sticky, kind of better, that's what we need. Okay, perfect consistency, there you go. All right, so this is going to sit for a while, and then we are ready. There she is watching me again. Hi Jules. This is anise extract, a few drops, like half a teaspoon. All right, mix it good in there. Okay, pour it in a disposable cup or something that's flexible, and then we are going to pour it into that green bottle. Okay, let's do this. I hope I'm not gonna spill too much of it. There, almost. That's good, let's do it. Alrighty, that's fine. See, I didn't make too much mess. That's a good sign. Okay, and I poked a hole. Actually, I heated up a knife and made a hole in the bottle cover, so this is where the batter is going to come out from. When I turn the bottle upside down, I'm going to squeeze it slowly and have control over how much batter needs to go in the frying pan. All right, I heated up the oil on medium to low heat, and that's testing. All right, it popped up, that means the oil is good. So let's add more gulgule in there, just like that, around a tablespoon for each. All right, good. Okay, there you go. If it floats, that means the oil is good temperature. All right, okay, that's all good. So what we are going to do is to turn them golden. All right, that looks good. We have to turn them, both sides have to be golden brown, and they might be a little bit on the sticky side because there's sugar in there. I didn't add too much sugar because I try to keep things on the you know, low sweet, whatever, you know, you want to call it. So they're not sugar free, but they're low in sugar. All right, you have to keep the medium to low heat or they will get very dark and start burning. And they're very nice and soft because of the yogurt and the combination of yogurt and baking soda. There you go, they're ready. Oh my god, my neighbors are fighting and cursing each other out. I'm sorry about that, guys, but I can't take it out of the video now. There you look. So yummy, soft and cooked perfectly. Alrighty, so we are ready with that. There you go. Sprinkle some golden sugar, some yummy little pearls on it, and we are ready to serve. Just because, you know, I wanted to see something shiny, sparkly, so I'm decorating them. Otherwise, there's no need to do that. If you can, good. If you can, that's good too. Thank you for watching.